Welcome to Single Serve in Excel. Today we're going to find and remove duplicate rows from a spreadsheet. We have a spreadsheet with a list of our members. Unfortunately, this spreadsheet contains duplicates and we need a unique list of our members. Sometimes the list is very long and it's difficult to simply eyeball the list for duplicates, so let's make things easy by highlighting the member numbers that are duplicates. First, highlight column A. Click on the Conditional Formatting button in the Home tab. Select Highlight Cells Rules. Click on Duplicate Values. We'll leave the formatting to the default settings with duplicate values highlighted with a light red fill with dark red text. Click OK. Now you can see which member numbers are duplicated in your list. Now let's remove the duplicates. Highlight columns A, B, and C. Click on the Data tab and select Remove Duplicates from the Data Tools group. In the Remove Duplicates dialog box, select all the columns that contain duplicates. In our case, member num, first name, and last name all contain duplicates. Since our list has headers, make sure My Data Has Headers box is checked. Click OK. The alert box tells you that 6 duplicate values were found and removed and that 11 unique values remain. Click OK. Now you have a unique list of members and you know there are no duplicates because the conditional formatting doesn't have any cells highlighted with a light red fill and dark red text. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment in the section below. Also, like and subscribe and click the bell icon for updates on new videos.